Hi everyone, Brad here. Welcome to Airstream of Utah. On this walkthrough Wednesday, I'm going to give you a tour of this brand new 2023 27FB Globetrotter. Join me. As I always do, I'm going to give you some statistical data about this model before we get started on the tour. The 27FB is actually 28 feet long, and that's from the rear bumper, edge of the bumper, to the front hitch. Like all models this size, is 8 feet 5.5 inches on the outside, 8 feet 1 inches on the inside. It's 9 feet 9 inches on the outside exterior height. That's the air conditioned height. It's 6 feet 7.5 inches tall in here. This particular model has an 875 pound hitch weight. It has a 6,300 dry weight. It has a 7,600 gross weight rating, giving you a 1,300 pound cargo carrying capacity. 37 fresh, 35 gray, and a 40 gallon black water tank. This model comes standard with a 30 amp service and 1 air condition. Now, right now in 2023, the Globetrotter, Pottery Barn, and Classic models all come with this beautiful Coleman air condition / heat pump. It's an upgrade from what used to be on them, Dometic. Every model international down still comes with Dometic as of this video. It's a much better option if you're trying to boondock and hook to a generator because of the built-in soft start. This model is also equipped with a 25,000 BTU ducted furnace down below. You have this all-electric Norcold 8 cubic foot refrigerator freezer combo here. This model is equipped with a standard queen size bed, which is 60 inches wide and 75 inches long, so it's a camper queen. You can sleep up to 6 folks in this model, so 2 up front in the queen bed and 4 back here. This lounge area turns into a sleeping space for 4 people. It has an impressive 18 windows and skylights in it, giving you plenty of light and plenty of breeze when you're outside camping on your adventures. Let's go check the rest of this rig out. Alright, I'm standing here in the entrance to the bedroom, looking towards the front of the vehicle. I got my queen bed here, and there's plenty of storage underneath this mattress. After lifting up here, I can see down here storage, and there's access panels here at the bottom. I got this wall, which is blank, and you can decorate it as you see fit. On this side, you have this TV and swivels around. This has a different type of control module for your air conditioner compared to the other models, the Dometic. So this is the RV Comfort control panel to control your air conditioner and furnace. So this comes with the Coleman air conditioner, unless you have the Pottery Barn or Classic. Then you have the smart touchscreen. Over here on this side of the bedroom, you got this giant bank of windows. You see my escape window over here, which is very large, and this very nice backlit, automatic backlit storage compartments up here, and they have a mirror so you can see what's down below. One other item is on the side of your bed on both sides, you have a nightstand table with a storage compartment down below, and there's also a USB charging port here beside the bed and a inverter outlet. Coming out of your bedroom, walking back towards the rear of the rig, I have this wonderful shower. This size shower is pretty standard for most 25, 27, 28, 30 foot rigs, because it's any shower that's near the wheel well. The only thing that changes is the seat. So some seats go all the way across, some have a little L shape. This one particularly has the L shape. So that's the biggest change in the shower sizes, but the dimensions of the shower itself are almost exactly the same. Also in the hallway here, you have your dual closet. Very nice space, very big space up top, plenty of space to hang clothes, and then storage down below the hanging clothes. Standing directly across the hall from your shower is your bathroom. And you have this wonderful skylight up here, which provides plenty of light. If you close both these curtains here, you can access the shower, the closet, and the bathroom all as one individual room, making this 27FB trailer into 3 separate spaces, so to speak. You have a nice mirror back here that raises up, and medicine cabinet kind of storage back here. You do have this shelf here that goes all the way across. Plenty of counter space, a very nice faucet here, Moen faucet. Your water heater controls, toilet has plenty of space, and you have plenty of storage space down below. Coming out of your bathroom area, walking into your kitchen area, so I have this giant 8 cubic foot refrigerator here, all electric, plenty of space, very durable, cools down in about 30 minutes. Excellent option for these rigs. I'm glad that they've switched to all electric. Across from your fridge, you have this giant pantry area. The top portion here, if you have an Instapot, it would fit perfectly in here. You could fit 2 of them in here actually. Down below, now this model came with the optional convection oven microwave, which replaces the gas oven. If you order this with the standard gas oven and microwave, there will be a microwave up here and it'll be its own separate drawer. So from here down is pantry and from here up is the microwave, but it's 2 separate drawers. And this one, if you get the convection oven microwave, you get this giant storage space here. And you have a little bit of storage down below in that cabinet. Up above your fridge, you have a nice little spice rack, I call it, up here. Your range hood, your 3-burner cooktop, which is very nice, laid into this Corian countertop, which is beautiful. And again, the convection oven microwave, it does multiple things. It's a microwave, it's a convection oven, it's a grill, it's an air fryer, it's a baking oven, and a food dehydrator. It does all sorts of fun things. Fantastic option and fantastic upgrade. To me, well worth the money. Your kitchen space, the drawer space here, pantry space, storage space in here is quite extensive. I'm going to open all these up and so you can see what they all look like open. One other fantastic thing about the Globetrotter is this beautiful rounded sink and white Corian countertops. You have a couple trash cans up here. They both have their own lids in them. This is one of 2 lids that goes over your sink here, but this very beautiful, very deep, rounded sink and this awesome Moen faucet with a trackable handle here. Elegance and a camper. Absolute elegance and a camper. Back here in the back of the rig again, you can see this giant wraparound window here. It's exactly the same as the front window over the bed. You have these 2 additional windows here and these upper windows, and you have a skylight here, letting in plenty of light in this giant and comfortable space. I have a TV on the wall here. This TV does swivel around. All of your controls for the water pump, your sea level gauge, your inverter, and your solar controller are all right here on this wall below the TV. Whereas on typical models, they're on the wall here in the kitchen, but this kitchen wall is very clean. Every Globetrotter, you have this back area back here behind the backrest of your couch, and the same thing goes for over there on that side. A nice place to set some plants or maybe a drink or something like that if you're sitting here in the back hanging out lounging. Like all models, this table drops down to make a bed back here. I have the rear portion back there now, so you can use this as a booth seat like this, or you can put both tables in and have a standard table here for 4 people to sit at, or you can take the tables completely out and have a lounging space. Up here above your lounging space are some more storage cabinets. These cabinets are the exact same ones that are over your sink and over your bedroom. They're all backlit. This model, again, 2023, did not come with a DVD player, but it still has the Fusion touchscreen radio, a USB plug, and an HDMI port here. So should you decide to use an Apple TV or a Roku stick or some device of that nature, makes your TV a smart TV. You can plug it into the HDMI plug right here, and it transmits to both of your televisions. Down here below this L-shaped couch is a storage compartment with bins. You have another nice drawer here. You have those 2 drawers right there that are currently supporting that back cushion, but they're also storage drawers as well. All right, a few things from Brad here to you as our audience. Anecdotally, there's been some concerns about the woven flooring in a Globetrotter and how difficult it could be to keep clean. Just this morning I swept this rig out, so when they get produced there's sawdust and aluminum shavings and things like that that kind of scatter around the rig, but I've swept many of these out and I just swept this one this morning. It sweeps fairly easily. Not as easy as a slick linoleum floor, but it does sweep very easy. It's a woven material, so it's very textured, so it's not as slippery. Similar to your seats in a Globetrotter, they're also very textured. And why people like these over a Flying Cloud or an International or a Caravel, for example, is when you sit back in this one, you don't slide out. And every other model that is so slick, you kind of slide out of your chair a little bit. But in this one, the textured material, you do not slide out. It's very durable. You probably would need a vacuum cleaner to kind of vacuum it out after you swept, just to get some of the dirt out of the crevices. But from every customer that we've had that I've interacted with that has a Globetrotter, they said keeping the floor clean is not a problem. Similarly with the white Corian countertop, they said it cleans up very easily too, because that was a concern, being something white as a countertop cleans just as easy as the gray ones. The one complaint about a Globetrotter above all other models is, what do you do with all the extra cushions? So configured like I have this model right now, with half the table in and the back L-shaped booth seat set up, I still have an extra tabletop and 4 more cushions laid out here that go somewhere. In most models, the back cushions here become the bed cushions when you want to make this space into a bed area. But in a Globetrotter, because you have the molded backrest right here, you have extra cushions. Now, if you're trying to full time on a Globetrotter, this become a storage nightmare. If you have a house somewhere and you know that taking it on this camping trip, you're not going to be using this bed space, you can leave these cushions stored in your storage box or in your garage or in your house, or wherever you don't need them in the trailer. But it's a factor, and it's just something that I want to address here because I get asked questions about it quite a bit. There are places to store everything if you set everything up. So if you set the full table up, you don't have to worry about this table leg, but you still have, now you got to get the booth seat cushion out and you have to put it somewhere. But all 5 of the extra cushions that this rig comes with, 3 of them will fit in your closet, and 2 of them or 3 of them potentially could fit in the bottom underneath your bed in the center, like I had them on the video. But they have to go somewhere. Those are the common questions I get about durability, ease of use, ease of cleaning, and what to do with things in a Globetrotter. Outside this rig, you can see you have the bumper storage here. Both awnings are out, so it has the rear awning and the window awning on the roadside. You still have the standard giant curbside porch awning, I like to call it. And then up front, you have your very nice outside storage compartment. I hope you've enjoyed this little insight that I can give you to the Globetrotter. If you have any questions that you think I might be able to answer, please write in the comments down below, or send us an email, or give us a call. I'd love to make a video about what you want to know. Let us know. Thanks for joining me on this walkthrough Wednesday in this 27 front bed Globetrotter 2023 model. This rig is available. Give us a call for our special pricing. We'd love to help you out, and love to send you off in an adventure in this model because it's fantastic. Join us again next week, and I'll give you my next walkthrough Wednesday. Have a great day, everyone, and happy adventures.